Hey guys, this is a really cool transformation. It's small changes with big outcomes, a product page redesign that we did recently for one of our clients. I'm Oliver Kenyon, I'm co-founder at ConversionWise. We're a team of 60 plus CRO experts. We eat, sleep, live, breathe conversion rate optimization, and we have redesigned and designed more landing pages than any agency on this planet. Here's an over-shoulder look at one of the recent designs we did for one of our clients. So it starts with point number one. We added this very clear, contrasting notice bar at the top because we thought that these guys would really benefit from further incentivizing their customers. We're giving away free gift to add more products into the cart, typically pushing that AOV. We then added some more social proof. So social proof above the fold is really, really crucial. You can see it on the before design because of this massive product title that was pushing everything further down the fold. You didn't really see it. So what we did is reduce that product title onto one line. It's a quick win that anyone can do. Your titles don't need to be this big. Make sure you get as much information above the fold as possible. We've then given a very clear price above the fold, but most importantly, now our color selections appear above the fold and within the same view of the image carousel. Why? Why do we do this? Well, because if people are on mobile, the user experience is so much better when they're selecting different colors, because therefore the image changes within the same fold and people can really compare those colors. If you've got different color options on your products, on your single SKU products, and they're way below the fold, what will happen is people will click them, unless it auto scrolls up to that image carousel, they won't realize that they can actually view the product in different colors. So try and keep them within one fold. We've seen this dramatically increase revenue per session for some of our clients. Speaking of increasing your revenue per session, is that something you want to do? If so, just book in a free discovery call with my team. We've been doing this 12 years. You're in great hands. We want to chat to you, get to know you and your brands and your goals. And we'd love to talk. So hit the link below in the description and we'll speak to you very soon. Make sure you also hit subscribe and like this video if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the very next one.